Hello, one and all present here. This is Amit Kumar Singh, and welcome everyone to my class on MS Excel. So, this would be our very light session. Here, we'll not do anything more technical in Excel. Here, we'll talk about something which is very unique in Excel. So, probably here we discuss about the concept speak cell. So, like if I write something, probably let me just activate this first.
Cells will now be spoken on enter.
So if I write something, Amit Kumar Singh, that's my name.
Amit Kumar Singh.
Here you can see something. 1, 2, 3, 4.
1234.
Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
123,456.
So the number of cells in Excel is how much? 16,384 column into 10 lakh 48,576 rows.
1717 986 9184.
So Excel is not telling how many millions or billions this figure is there. So also in Excel there's no such formula which can tell us, but don't worry, I'll tell you very soon the value of this. So like this, so this is speak cells. So this speak cell. So how to work on speak cell? Before I talk about speak cell, I believe everyone knows this is quick access toolbar. So if you talk about quick access toolbar, so what you can do, you can show quick access toolbar below the ribbon. Can you see that? Or you can click on show quick access toolbar above the ribbon. So if you want to customize this quick access toolbar, you can just click on the drop down arrow. You can tick which all options you want. Otherwise, you can click on more commands, and then from here you can add. Okay, you can add those commands which you feel is more relevant for you, which you need it very frequently. So you can do that work. Okay, from here, the same thing you will get from file, then options, and when you go to options, then you need to go to quick access toolbar, and there you can click whichever command you feel is relevant for you. You click them, whichever, if you want to remove them, you can remove them. So like this you can do, and you can customize your quick access toolbar. Okay, so whatever changes I have done, if I want to simply erase those changes, I just want whatever it is, it should be like that way. So I can say reset all customization. So delete all customization recently what I did, and then I got the same the basic features on the quick access toolbar. So I was talking about the speak cells on enter. So how I can activate that quick access toolbar or Excel options, you can get into that by using shortcut key called Alt FT. Then you come to quick access toolbar, then choose command from here, go to all command, and once this is done, then you see alphabetically this date, this ribbons are formatted, this they are given. So you just go to the S column. Where is the S? So once you get to S, then SP. So you know alphabetically when SP will come, then SPEA, then you click on this speak cells on enter, then add it, and then press it. Okay,
Turned off speak on enter.
click
Cells
on
will now be spoken on enter.
press
Amit
enter.
Kumar Singh.
You're getting it right.
1234. 123,456.
So I hope you understood this. So very basic thing. This much is there to discuss in this class. Okay, so it may become little bit relevant for you in those circumstances where probably the your visibility on your screen would be impacted, or if you are doing some kind of assignments where probably observing on the screen what you are doing is consuming a lot of time. So you can activate these speak cells on enter, and then gradually you can do your assignment very fast. So automatically Excel will keep telling you that whatever you have written. So in case if you're doing any mistake, you'll get automatically will get to know. Or if you're doing some kind of typing work or some data entry work, so if that is activated, so so whatever you are writing, if you're not observing also by listening, automatically you'll understand that in case if any mistake is being done. So guys, this much from my end for this class. I hope you have understood what all I have done in this class. Thank you everyone. See you all in next class. Take care. Bye everyone.